Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're trying to open up a compressed or archived folder and it says the archive is either an unknown format or damaged. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and you want to search for 7-zip in the Google. Best match should come back with 7/zip.org. Go ahead and open that up. Select the download button for the 64-bit version of 7-zip. If you're on Windows 10 32-bit edition or lower version of Windows, you may have to download the 32-bit version, but most of you guys are going to download the times 64-bit version up here. And once that's done downloading, go ahead and open up to run that file and select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Select install, select close. And now right-click on whatever file or folder you're having that issue with. And you want to select the Show More Options button. And then where it says 7-zip, click the little arrow next to it. And select where it says Extract here. And you should see a folder or file, whatever was in this folder. Now you may want to move this zip folder into a different location before extracting here. But you guys get the point. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.